Nijang Karbianglong Keroni Thana Keparlo Jengkha Higher Secondary School along pen Sarkiri Tokbi High School Living Certificate mati HSLC asatlang along Paro Pora Inko mati 520 marks pen distinction kachepalong dun. High School Living Certificate mati HSLC asatlang along Paro Pora Inko mati 520 marks chepalong dun si pan trok near kebra trok tokbor trok an mati 86.66% an chepalong pen High School Living Certificate ang ding mate HSLC asatlang chepaundun lo. Jengkha pen kahilo kilometer cap so se arlo arong serlong chor noren tokbi arong amekar joysing tokbi la pen rina bepi asatlang Sarkiri Tokbi alang litum ke harlong to theng chor pen si asophan lo pachali asolo thek nang ji pupen untik kabor idun pen si alangli so aphan pachali dunlo alang litum kabor idun ateng asopo aphan misen pen HSLC asatlang sitami un pidunlo alang litum kache hok pen hirangki atum aphan humri dam nang koklo lapen aprang kemisen chokamar anghoy chepalong nun pu ahirjume pajer tekang.
So my name is Sarkiri Tokbi. I'm from PVM School Jengkha. I scored 520 out of 600, which is 86 percentile. I got all subject later. I got maximum marks in advanced mathematics and general mathematics, which is 94 marks, and least marks in science and that I think social 80 marks means margin. Yes, sir, I got 86 percentile, which is distinction.
So what will be your aim in life, and what are the strategies of studying you will tell for the upcoming student?
Sir, my aim in life is to become an engineering and or IITN. First of all, I will choose science stream in 11th standard. After passing 11, there will 12. After passing 12, then I will give JE entrance exam, joint entrance examination. Then JE means if clear, then JE advance. After JE advance cleared, then I will be selected to IIT. So my aim, I want to go to IIT Bombay. Yes, sir. Ang phone kachurung tung mang lapulo nili duk that nili serlong source do ladak harlong kam do ji jadi anutin tumda kachong dat kan sigireng sade asi pipu tumda cepat duk lo harlong phur chot tame ajara dun chot tame paisa सबसे पहले तो तमे इल तो फांसी नंग पीपी दाम दे दे लो ऐसे और सी बैक तमे मानली फीस पीपी दे लाहे दावे 12 years लगे क्लियर मैंने एग्जाम नंग तमे होंग दो क्लॉक ऐसे लाहे का चुरा तुम मांगला बुलो ऐसे लसन अपी पु दोनी ते अने सिटीन अपी पु तुम दा लसन मा था ठेक नहीं अपन लसन ठेक नहीं लसु पेनलोते असु पु तुम तमे असु पी तुम तमे परी निंग हैंग पो अपन aning mane aning cerot khut pe namya lang pori ko
Johnny support of
Keroni pen mohanteron Karbianglong life